Today we're looking at Theme 2, Rights and Responsibilities of the AQA GCSE Citizenship course. We're exploring laws in contemporary society, particularly what is the point of having laws. We've already explored the reasons we have laws, and now we're going to move on to look at the British legal system and how it upholds fairness and justice. There are three factors needed to ensure that the British legal system upholds fairness and justice. These are laws, police, courts and punishments. All three parts are needed to ensure that the legal system upholds fairness and justice. So for example, laws must exist and should apply to everyone, linking back to the rule of law and the idea that no one is above the law. Laws are made by Parliament. Secondly, the police. Police are expected to enforce the law and apprehend those suspected of breaking the law. Finally, those that are accused appear before a court, and if guilty, they are punished. These three are needed for an effective legal system that upholds fairness and justice. Now, if there are no courts, or if there's a dodgy judge, then there would be no element of punishment, and this would be a major problem in upholding justice and fairness in a legal system. If there weren't any police, or there were dodgy police that you could pay off, then the offenders would not actually be brought to court, because the law would not be enforced and those who are suspected would not be apprehended. Finally, if laws didn't exist in the first place, then the police would not have a job. They wouldn't be enforcing anything because it doesn't exist. And finally, courts would not exist and would not be able to hand out punishments. So all three are needed to ensure an effective legal system that upholds fairness and justice. That is the end of our session. And next we'll be moving on to looking at the relationships between laws and the people.